wakwa biom ever exposed media so any adie sunny na any celebrities look alike ba no mo ba chese dra no mo doso and now kwame Eugene or china kwame na MP just say omo doso wala me so enche ni be nyame so medi medical e din say bi abetudwa afa nsemi ana enkoso chese say celebrities look alike just say kra no omo form ekuo bi your one you could be as a was a celebrity, be a bit me abe come now over come on so wait here 500 Ghana cedis. I just say, and yes, because I'll wait here 500 Ghana cedis and son wait me and join you on any movie. Once wait me, I be way am a medical and in same be able to judges and in same training name or patches them. Celebrities look alike or no medical nose or one idea on my will be or send ye. I just an Indian crowd with me to be near and then it's me rapid summer. Or no medical no dear anchor and yes, some man and any say spotlights no. Aqua dano so and I say origin and union is sick and yanea. And this man na origin and say quite be so our monfa so in your music and now quite be so our monfa so in your film no. In Jay you cratches say. Omutimi ekoboshu crampo in the name of sa celebrity no medical na say can promise no omutimi ekoboshu omudimu editiska just omuna baby ko omutimi yom hot say medical na can promise no omutimi yom hot say omwa na just sika no benya omonye film na medical na say we no enche yes on baby bisa no na say crampo na eko so omo so mo ye mema ombetimi aye edwuma bi so far some workers some me artist some the nyum to no mo ni rap here no so metimi ayo mo nyum no omo ato a eno so ebe bo mo nyum musika and mo nyum film e film abusiafo we ni ensema medical edibetu uja mo man ko hwe video no emra
many things going on, you know, especially with this look-alike thing where people they miss have 20%, where people they misunderstand them, or you know, people them are ignorance, they lead them to some misunderstanding and all of that. But the investment they kind of say, me, I don't have a problem if you feel like you look like me, and then because you look like me, you feel like I'm your role model and you look up to me and this man. I don't have a problem with that. But if you look like me, I don't expect you to go on a radio station, go to a radio station, go on air, and then, you know, talk about saying things, say, what your 500 cedis? No, I will be formed. Say, be out, also Miss Viana when the shake cry, that's all send a papa cry. Which you ask 500 cedis now. You be in Kubiamawa, Osra, it will better be a son. And then, that radio phone, I'm on a platform, no, to have that discussion. It doesn't make sense to me, bro. It doesn't, because me the time they come up, bro, me kai namu wa dogono school, me name madam for erosion, and until from odogono, echo odogono day like aoshi. We walk from odogono to odoko. We go some station. I don't want to mention the station we went to. I don't want to mention the station name, but we go to the station say, I just want me them grant me interview, make I get exposure. I go there and they tell me to make I pay 500 cedis, and this matter they tell you guys, it be like 10 years plus ago, over 10 years ago. You get me? They didn't do that. So why now I establish myself, somebody come as my clone or my mini-me or my look-alike, you know, they give them the platform to be there and then talk nonsense. Like talk shit, basically. Because, no excuse me to say, because how you will come on live or on radio, on air, then give you the platform. Platform where underground rappers, underground artists, people where they get potential, then get talent, they won't blow, where they know they get that chance, you know. You give to these people where they be clones of the main artists, you know. Then they talk about what they want to do, then they collect 500 CDs, then they give forms, they will give you some pomade, make you look like Miss V and Wendy Shane, Medikal. It doesn't make sense to me, bro. Because the same radio stations, when you go there as an A-list artist or as a big artist or as a successful artist in this country, when you go there, the main thing they ask you is, what do you think about Ghana music? Why is Ghana music not doing well like Nigerian music? The same station. But that same station, they take them a platform, they promote people will be impersonators of the artists where they for promote. It doesn't make sense. I see a lot of people bashing me on TikTok saying that Yasa will be shiny. Yo, me, I don't have a problem with like somebody say go shine. Me, I always put people on. I defeat meet people randomly for streets. I don't document everything, or I don't document my daily life or what goes on, who I meet and what I do all the time. But I defeat come out then maybe I did somewhere, then somebody will come, oh, Medikal, I did rap, oh, I won't make you help me, I'm not saying you know go help, blah blah blah. Then I will listen to the song. Get potential. I did bring the person to my studio, bro. Recently, I brought one guy from Ajingano, some filling station, Shell filling station. I go meet him where he rap, he play some song, show me. I carry on come my house, here, my studio. We record song together, you know. I sort them out, I make it notes, I go shoot video for him. I do that a lot. I always want to see people shine because there are so many stars up there. You can't, you know, there are lots of galaxies, actually a group of stars. One person will be shine. Me, I always want to see people shine. I'm not the type of person that want to be in the spotlight or the limelight alone. Their fame self, it be tired, it be, yo, fame is fucking boring, bro. Fame is boring. If they would tell you the truth, bro. Me na me kuboro pa me streets. Me besa me di koko, besa me di wache ne, me di beans bi wa amelia ho na me te bench so normal. I still have that thing in me. I still wish I could do all of them things, but I can't because of the position where I did right now. You get me? So if I see somebody where maybe I did see something and the person they try talk say I did hit on arm. I don't want help arm. Like there are a lot of people that I put on where they get some songs where they feel like they were on top and turn their backs and start dissing me. I was like, bro, you see this fame shit? Me don't force me for this fame shit too. Like I did do something else. Like I did school. My father is a rich man. My father is good. My father's dream was to see me in the university. Yeah. Me, I defer my course or my interest because I wanted to rap, bro. I wanted to talk about what I was going through, how I lived my life. You get me? Yeah. Someone say MDK go cry, bro. I know. Bro, you see, this be some of the things. I'm serious now, because I offer me serious. I'm just trying to let people understand that I'm not in the position to determine or depict the future of others. But when you get out there and you carry the wrong message across, you get me? You did hold the wrong message where you do. I'm like so and so. And you see the guy where they impersonate can promise to do some video. Hey, Medikal, hey, Dewe, hey, Medikal, hey, me man yourself.
Me o di matem dia boss hwe me ha sei e ma na fili o mo dem safa handi no Medikal won tu jai aya wo ya me maka aya wo ya o ma yikumi me mi sisi ya me sisi mato me homa a police phone o me say police for o mo fa me nyere mo pe me ni o de enti be me post video be na mi an kasa mi ko police station ko report me ho say me life no nyina hye mo ye de mo nsa Medikal AMG my oden AMG Medikal how cho me say we need you kwan so ba ko fo ho adibi ade na Ghana ye tisa enti say me fucking promise me ko go show me artist of on my own Mr. Tiemi obi me me nua pani me bra pani ana me timi me issue office e wonya usika na say what share why kesi a adawa woni me no ni problem but say na wodi matema atema ko talk of the media na obi edi matema.
You see, bro, first of all, me to me crying won't now and your back and forth say ujina menima. I know if you do that, bro. Like I'm not in that position. I just I'm here. I can't even do that. You get me? But you have to know that so when your spotlight be bro, also your talent, autonomy. Focus on that one. Don't stand on that one and, you know, disrespect certain artists like people we dada. Now obey say one ball in your mind obi ain't here, bro. It's foul. If you be animal kasa, me who say kofu more fans, kofu other things. But yo, that's wrong. People for actually let them know, educate them, tell them the truth that yo, what you're doing, it's nice. You can do something with it like ebia okay also say medical now second promise okay cool say na can promise or any man say na medical any man and the so menye hard na as bema no me so menye bibi ma me ho but don't be living under the shadows of these celebrities. It's wrong because they are underground artists, not be just artists. There are people who have talent, there are people who have business mind. People who are business minded, they have the plans, but they don't have a platform. They don't have a place to voice out for people to come and offer aid or help to them. It's very wrong. You get what I'm saying? So don't be doing that. But you know, if you just did there and feel like, yo, I look like MDK, so yeah, fuck it. I'm rolling like MDK now. I'm running interviews. Yeah, fuck whoever is saying like I'm on my level. Yeah, fuck it. You can't tell me shit. Like I look like Can Promise. Yeah, fuck it. And yeah, Can Promise give you phone, but the phone give you say you know the iPhone and Can Promise for buying house. Bro, don't live your life like that. Social media today, then go gas you. Hey, then go take entertain themselves. But tomorrow, bro, it will look like you never exist. It will look like you never come. You go feel make the noise because you get some bundle or data or somebody saying some mumu for Germany or for no problem. I'm not against that. You can receive. That's yours, bro. I'm not against. Me person who so be adidi. Me you be who so be eduane corner no. Me battle from. No, I want to see everybody eat, bro. And me, I like to keep it real. I don't even fake shit. I don't even form anything I talk for my life, for my song. If I meet you, if I have a conversation with you, it's real. I like to keep it real, bro. And I like real people. There was this one time, now me ability. And the boys be here, my fans, and I'm stop here. We stop here now. Hey, I give the boys something small, you know. Because I know how it is if you do streets. I am not come with easy. That's why sometimes I give the boys for the streets, or you go see I throw money. You know, we say I will get the money, or like me or I did do something where my money never did finish. No, 100 Ghana we shall because me take Ghana cry and easy. Me bread pounds and me and say, Nessa me be ama me who say, and now one more almost so no mutie me ama between your shows, bo ama meet my mom kakra. Then why not? You get me? I met this group of guys. Hey, there was this one guy. Obameka no straight no come say, Medikal. Me, I know they feel you. I just want to make you know. I know say maybe this one be different level, but I know they feel you cry. You're not in the be me. I know they like the way they do yourself. You too know, dodo. Charlie, Cow Brown has can't keep your feel by when I catch up. The guy we talk, so I just give him 500 cedis because I see I'm like, yo, this is real. This is what I want, bro. I like that. I like you have to be real. You have to be realistic. So you see, the boys when they do that. so you forgot. The boys when they do that thing where one of the boys like that Can Promise Lookalike. They do hey medical hey nyankopon hey me we are 3 days bro cool down bro when you nyankopon and for who to nyankopon because yeah you share a we are we there under the sun. Everybody they respect him. So don't put yourself close to him or second yourself to him. Say, who are 3 days? Oh, sorry, bro. Don't talk like that. Bro, humble yourself. If you feel like you have a talent, go to the studio, record, or do something with your life. But you see, the shadows where they live under, no. Don't disrespect anyone. Don't disrespect Promise and be like, Promise and the phone you buy you, it be high sense, you know, be iPhone and Promise for buy you house and you not say goodbye. Bro, don't talk like that, bro. It's not easy for a celebrity to even, you know, get time for his family sometimes. So if you see fun, where they show him love, if you not say he actually go deep, you know, out of his realm to actually reach out to you. So don't do that. Don't talk like that. The people on Facebook and TikTok and because of Medikal and I don't know yes and Michael Jackson cry on the Lookalike na America come over baby. Yo, America nye Ghana. Hey, America nye Ghana na ebia obi ti say Jeko afele say nkofu bebre Huntington then yem obi mpie no nye say no on divert traffic no fa say bro aha den papa enye easy e tackle ne dey survive o ha se mu ni ma American to say Ghana unya one song out to $30 million out of one because maybe Super Bowl go use your song as commercial or maybe some chicken nuggets be or KFC or Papayas the chicken go do some adverts way automatically money they come in. bro. It no easy. Yesterday they come give me 500 Ghana. They say from Ghana music something. After I perform, 500 Ghana. That be how much? 500 Ghana. I no go reach $40 or $50. You understand? So it's not like that. Especially I'm more abuchi. I'm say abuchi will lookalikes be or lookalikes be. Abuchi in Ghana. It's not free Ghana kwa abuchi. Yeah, bre. We are doing our best. Maybe some artists go make it look like it's all good. Oh, yeah, it's good. Yeah, my brand. Bro, it's not easy. If we know before struggle shoot video set the problem. Before do course, hey, this one, okay, cool. Then you put your own money into it. It's not easy, bro. It's not easy. Don't feel like cause maybe I'll be a Sako there and I'll be a Shatawali and Stone Boy and Kwisiata Joey being to the old. That's how we do Oscar. Hey, and yes, you. Me at the fit day then my account inside. I don't get nothing. I'm in issue on my account. Normal, like it be Ghana with day. American and Moa, Ebianca. No, American has me level crowd to say, J. Cole or Kendrick or Drake or something. Yeah, I can be boastful. I can talk about stuff like, you get what I'm saying? It's not easy out here. That's why a lot of people think Medikal does fraud or I did fraud to get to where I did, because they understand why I came into the game maybe 8 years ago and all of a sudden I build this house, I do this investment, I buy this car and I do this and I do that. It no be easy. That's why they understand. But me, I'm hard working. Shouts to 21 Jones. I'm hard working. I'm in the studio right now, bro. This is my computer. I'm about to record. These are my speakers. I'm always working because I always want to make sure I get the right material so my fans can consume it, so they can book me for shows and stream my music, so I can get endorsement deals and all of that. You get what I'm saying? I put in the work, bro. I don't sleep. And then I call who? Me after show no me die. After show now I'm back to Accra. I don't sleep. I day here. I dey studio. I dey brainstorm. I dey try record the next song. I dey try, find out some way. I dey try create some content. We go make my brand or my exhibition very appealing to my fans and my listeners and people where they watch me and where they support me. Because I don't want to let anybody down, bro. When you dey feel Medikal, they feel Medikal. You dey feel yourself. Because Medikal, they make you believe in yourself. You get me? I'm that type of person. I don't even want you to see me like, this guy get money, it didn't say get money, and bro, me, I don't get anything. Maybe taco, I dey try survival. Yeah. When you see I dey jam, I dey sweat for stage, where I collect money, yeah, that be the hustle. Maybe you go see I'm say be fraud, or it be cocaine, or it be blood money. Bro, I dey sweat. Me, if I dey do fraud or cocaine, or it is I will come record music. Go jam. Obi papa na me free. No. I have to hustle and I love what I'm doing. It's my passion. You get me? So when sometimes people get a wrong perception, like recently I was talking about T-Flow, like me and my guys. Yo, about more than 10 years ago, me share T-Flow or KNUST. No, I perform here that time. I think now or you're popular, like Hammer, Sako DS affiliation and all of that. So lots of people knew him. They knew who he was. You get me? To man. They knew who he was. You get me? So like he had some bars. So I was like, yo, Flo, I beg you. I was like, yo, Flo, I beg you. I need some. I won't make you help me. Me too, I dey rap, I dey try. They pick back. I not say I dey try. You say when you get a talent or like when you not say no, you dey try. I don't know, but when you hear some push B and some, some level B to reach some next level, it be some way. I tell them, so no problem, give number. I call him. Last time, the last call where I call him during that time, he told me, say, bro, I know if you do your song right now because I work on some of my projects. And you see me, I understand because me, I'm in that position right now. Sometimes, yeah, you meet like an underground. I'm not even going to put it that way. No one is an underground. I meet like an upcoming artist. Maybe you're the name your mama. Tell say, yo, Medikal, you wait a minute, one other maybe at that time, no, yo, bro, I'll be going through saying things in life. Like, yo, I have a family, I have a daughter, like I have people I take care of, I have a mom, I have a kid sister, I have extended family, I have friends that I need to make sure they're good. At the same time, I need to make sure I do good music and put some music out there. At the same time, I need to do other projects like buildings and other stuff. You get me? Tito de Bia, I'm not even there in the mood to even record because I'll be going through a lot, bro. Yeah, sometimes it be like that, bro. Like, I'll be going through a lot. I'm not in this mood to record. It's, you know, about 7%, but I didn't go through. You get me? So as me, I can't blow. I can't understand all those things. You get me? Like, I can't say, oh, so he did. T-Flow never do my verse for me. And I understand. But fast forward, he came to my house, bro, a song. I did a verse for him, bro. Because I understand that situation. You get me? And he's still out there. When I dropped the house, so he tweeted something. He was like, and he didn't like say rap band no na mentie obi abe mislead you, bro. Miami Dokono, Miami Hono is the hardest shit, bro. Because Count say recross and say, yo, I just ate KFC and just pizza and one. You be like, oh shit, it's hard, you right? But because I did rap about when I call channel, when I own thing, you see, I'm like, rap gonna come in after bro. Me, I speak the real shit, bro. I don't lie, I don't copy my rap. That's why my shit flies. We will be a rappy, stay true, stay unique. My name sound is stay unique. My name sound is said the no talk if you don't get money, you don't get money. Me if I don't get money, I dey talk I don't get money, bro. Me this car, me be me dear, and me dear, man kota, man rent, you be pull you up, you be stand it. But bro, I don't live a fucking fake life, bro. And then you see, I work, I double my hustle. So maybe they go pay me past you. So you go see, I'm like, the boy, no, they do something else. Yeah. How they do something else? Where I no sleep like 2 days with this. I did on road, I did jam. Me won't say me really be a Magiska. Oh, me so won't say me in a stage, now me cry Mike. Magiska crazy. Yeah, and I don't joke. Promoters go tell you. That's why maybe then they find my lookalikes because I did overcharge. Like my phone battery they die. Because I see I'm like, I'm not gonna be here forever. And my input for the work where they do, no, it deserves to be, you know, highly compensated. If you compensate me, you get me? Yeah, because right now I go to sleep. I came from water from last night. I don't sleep. I'm here. I'm recording. I'm trying to make music because I want to get paid. I don't want to sleep because if I sleep, jamina, yeah, maybe I preach about money because I won't collect money. Without money, we'll send them work. You get me? So if somebody like you, T-Flow, you slack, where today, you wait, then you don't want to do verse for me. I can't blow. I do verse for you. Then you still they hate on me because you feel like maybe it could have been you or it should have been you. Bro. Nah. Don't do that, bro. Oh yes, I cry. I mean, sure, because me, I see. I'm like, oh, you still be senior man, cause you came in the game before I showed up. So I still will give you that, you know. Yes, senior man, no lie. ABI, my name may be chain, but still I mean, who says still I will senior man? Timen yes sir. Link me. Oh, Medikal. Then I call Charlie. My engine way, and I said, oh, me person me way nyomba. Charlie, young Richard and I engine way ni intra video. Nafa Bosho, Nafa Jiska, Nenya streams, Nafa Yebi, Fesi Dine, Fatoka, be comfortable. And my pressure for Uncle Shabru, Chile, will be our Phyllis, will be our talent. And my pressure for my own young Uncle Shabru, Chema, Uncle Show be crying, as I am out do. No, don't do that. And that's why they talk say, maybe you go think say Medikal on the rap. Oh, just leave it. That was fast. Maybe you go think say, what about you? Baby go think say Medikal no dey rap. No, long story short, no be fuck T-Flow. No, I respect him. He be senior man. He came in the game before I came. But you see the fact that he's not trying to throw me the alley-oop or he's trying to see me like, yo, this guy come or bad in a rap now you boom or come here me doc me hono. Oh, don't talk like that, bro. Don't talk like that. And don't let it look like, yo, because of constructive rap be like I watched some video, you say rap no who breaking it down. One guy's how breaking it down. Now obviously me motivational speaker. I mean time by like there I just want to pour my heart out, bro. Who breaking it down saying someone him say a Liverpool team no coach no Charlie do I galam say or boase no na so you obeso tie po keke bi o say wo ba ye wala down atamfo be ko low battery na me power bank da 99 still charging no it is how Lampard ne Lampard crash we jai bobo Lampard the jai bobo Lampard stop the play ball. So just be realistic, be yourself, bro. Just do your thing and don't hate on the nigga cause the nigga is shining, bro. Cause I'm fucking blessed and I put in work, bro. I put in so much work. They think I do something else to like make a living or to survive or to buy cars or build houses, bro. I don't sleep. That's my secret. My secret be hard work. I mean if I did browse me, it is a then I did jump, then tomorrow I did. Oh, me the fame self I don't like them. That's why I catch some time. I dey cover my face. I dey wear mask because sometimes it dey bore. I want to be able to go to here and see more. Just stand there, Charlie, smoke my thing, normal. But you don't go feel even do them that way, bro. Yeah, so don't do that. Don't do songs and saying that if something they confuse me so much, bro. There's so much money in music. If you do the right thing, if you put out the right material, if you brand yourself well, you're gonna get paid, bro. You're gonna get paid. I always keep saying that. Yeah. Shout to G boys, shout to G boys, hard guys. They be street boys, so they know what I'm going, they know what they talk. Yeah. So when they ask me for my housing, people don't know say me I stay in London. Me I stay Brixton. Yeah, I stay in London from age 12 to 14, bro. Yeah. So sometimes they come in, but the accent be fresh off the boat small because Monday Ghana. But I don't even like to claim that side. Yeah, Ghana boy, giddy back. Yeah. And then the media people, bro. You see the people in the media. Charlie, there are so many talents out there. Forget about the talents. There are so many people who are business-minded. People who want to bring some, who want to exhibit something that can bring change or bring changes into people's lives. Because obi to me creative firm and our business and our corporation be a and yet for nipa no pew e for nkofu bebre cause me tell say bia because say I met me app me my software bia e beti me ma shopping we duane ne niam be online. What will happen? I will employ people. I will employ obi obe pick calls, customer care. I will employ obi obe service provider. I will employ obi obe check your internet and make sure say we have the right thing. I will employ people who make delivery. So they have to, pay attention to the young people who have the ideas. And not people who go on radio and with people that are, them are brand, where they impersonate them, say then they look like them. So make people buy forms and it will give you some income. No why it's any panel. Then you entertain them. Then this presenter will entertain them. Then they interview them. Then they give them that platform. Years ago, me as Medikal, over 10 years ago, me call radio station, radio station. Because no catch me say for 500 cedis in bra. And some I am interview. Fast forward, me team establish me hono. Obi abaso e me Lookalike on your platform for free. How does that make sense? And there are people who are talented, who just want to be heard and get some sponsors and get people who promote their music, bro. It's crazy. It's fucking crazy. I know they come on live like that, but I just feel like I come on live and then talk my mind, Yeah. I just feel like even business way she do. She's getting paid to promote wherever she's promoting, no matter what it be. It's the same thing the pastors do. They bring oil to the church and sell it for outrageous prices to our mothers and fathers and our brothers and sisters, and then they buy them. So if you the support pastor in one, if I leave one her sister makes she doing business. I just say people backlash her, she tired away, Charlie. She for come apologize, Charlie, because still more there no. Mama ne feel some way, so why Bonnie be? Oh yeah, Bonnie be. Everybody they try to survive. Yeah, I'm just trying to be real, bro. I mean, I don't know about you, lot, but I'm just trying to be real. I'm just trying to. I just like to talk true. Like I just like to spit the facts and all of that, and then address things for people to get like where I want us to get to. Sometimes when you go to radio stations and that, they ask you, yo, where do you think Ghana music is going to? Why do you think Ghana music is not matching head to toe with Nigerian music? That's because the Nigerian people, know, their mentality way, the way they make them mind, know, that will be how we want to mind it. It be different. We want to mind, be say, if Medikal drop something, or go see Medikal, Medikal nonsense, what kind of music with this? Would they want Jimmy head, because I said, me and me doctor, rapper be the casa. But Nigeria, no, the egusi and ever, I go give you egusi and ever, now they jam it. Or do you know, yeah, the annual, or do you woo, or do you woo, or do you woo, or do you woo, come back and say, I'm going to say, or do you woo, quaver for. Then go rubbish ham. Nigeria for the end. Oh, now say I'm going to try more. Friend saying garage, yes, be or do you woo? Said you mudi boo muno a crazy. I'm going to jam me hard by I'm going to say, I don't know, yeah, see, I don't know, yeah, see. Movie say easy on. The former can have pound when you easy. Munya would tell my Munya would tell my name support here. Because man support here, yet mean Kobe be a becono. Most I must say Grammy. Now say I'm who you know Grammy no. Tidin, I could be Jira Driabihona. Tidin, no more to you be style and then the winning Grammy. And you, oh yeah, and oh, metabolic and cephalic and metabolic. I'm on new. They answer metabolic. Then they shit. And then they shit on us. Because we are too focused on trying to bring out some correct products, trying to copy the Western culture. Yo, we should appreciate ourselves, bro. What's a Miami Docuno, Miami Hunoa? Fuck with it, because that's where you are from. Because I said the Mundi Docuno. Mundi Maski. Hey, nobody else Maski. Ubenya Maski. Adiachi Sokradi crazy. Maski Adiachi so. You're bad. And this is one body else, and this is one Snagana. I mean, stop, boy. You didn't feel or no. I buy straight to boarding house. From St. John's. Or also, be say one. I'm saying me call Cape Coast. Tell them to me Cafantino. Into flow, I am a brother. Pocho BBR. I would have friend. But my link him. Oh, Medikal. Charlie, Pocho. But yo, new record. Charlie, new tune. Charlie, Chemesa, bro. It be normal. Yes, I must know the sport work. It no be anything. Forget about the fact say you get some, you get some clout or some, some exposure before they come in the game. Forget that one. Oh, they mean anything. Today, make I give perfect example. See the numbers with Black Sheriff they make. Black Sheriff get the most stream one. If you go there online, boom play, audio mark one. If you talk say baby Medikal, me I come the game inside 8 years ago. So who be Black Sheriff? Charlie, time they change. They change. The way he come, he be level. He come with a different vibe. They fuck with them. He do some features. He get some streams. Just appreciate the guy in work. And if you want to do something with him, do with him. And stop there, because right now you come and Medikal come ask you for features some years ago. And yeah, me, I come and do them. So yeah, who be Medikal? And yeah, he's misleading the youth. Say, oh, rap, chain Medikal. And there. Now rap, there. Here, me, I'm a docuno. Sa or rap now. Oh, complicity, tragedy, rap. Me, I if you rap A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H to Z. Some tenant from Z come A. That one, nobody hear him. Nobody for hear him. Unless maybe be die hard fan. They no hear him because it no be in. It no be in the one here, Charlie. It no be in. I mean, it's a club, I mean, trigger. Be now, me person, me general number, no. So, what is I A, B, C, D rap, no, class, ne feelings, beko. I'm going to mammy. Share. Oh yeah, pe do you will be a pe. I do about post for the picture. Be my minya Caribbean. I feel about I said A and who I be, and she said she know the C, and I'm like you be Charlie. Jai John no. Jai John now you know na number no. A B C D E F G. Or rap why are there? My punchline see one, but enya no one. Unjai Nigeria for most of more rapping. Oh Jai. Rappers in here so my singing. Oh my no more rapping in I see oh my Jai. Oh you know my Jai. I know everybody they do. Oh, my baby, you. Now, yes, I did jam it. Top 100, no Ghana song. Top 100, no Ghana song. That's a me yet. Kanesh or Doko Accra. Why are you not proud of where you are from? Unko Kaneshida, Unko Dokoda. You are not proud. Why is he doing a song like that? This is a nonsense song. How we go take collect Grammy? Now bet my rap pitching Kendrick Lamar and J. Cole. J. Cole cry ni Grammy. J. Cole no my punchlines, my one wine. Yeah, onuko ni Grammy. It's crazy. I've never done this before, but I just feel like I'll talk to you lot and explain certain things so you lot can get what I'm saying. You get me? Because I want us to build something together. Maybe the next generation is gonna be different, it's gonna change, but this generation, I want make you people understand, say, yo, it be support where we they need. It be support where we they need, bro. Just that. Support here. Won't come for me, I mean say me because at the end of the day, me bow home, me do what 10, me bow home. Me person when need you. Me make you man know. Me, I want you to be happy. Yeah, I'm an entertainer. And you mean that? Yeah, from age 1 to be 20 or 30. My no papa to for sa. Maybe you 4 minutes, 3 minutes, no na. Ubeza sisa o life, a 2 for answer life. Debbie. And no, obo for crying to me in your mouth. Aja graja crying to me in your mouth. Debbie. Oh, it's not gonna work. Me, I go entertain you, I go motivate you, I go inspire you. But what you're looking for in my music, no. As a listener, no, don't try to be don't try being a judge, bro. Man, yes, all a judge, and you know, ubeti, and you know, Carding. I don't know how we hear radio, Jimmy, we a judge. Me, not maybe better when need you. Maybe better when need you. Me will be any jam, and mamma need.
I don't know me some when I'm with me in same year a medical edible to Jane just say. Or chimney is on no deal, and your yak say any or munium fame and now musicano. And yen yaki to a be crassy. Nan some okay now, so more for pine passo and for your music as far as some of your mamma, with my juma, any scar, and I even true in the crown, on with me, I age more social media, any scar. Papa say, on your D. Our born young and I say, our year a performance be on stage so not just on magic skating in the name of a notice and celebrating in Chai crown or Munche, no Munjai, where you're warning us a medical and better for man Lookalike natural say a trendy our social media. I will see for subscribing to channel which is Xposed Media. Remember, review so better pay a will be on so send me a videos be able to drive me and so once I ever keep more for shanty in the macram.